Section 1. Introduction to HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the bedrock of the web. It's the language used to create the structure and content of web pages. Every website you visit is built using HTML. Learning HTML is the first step towards becoming a web developer. It's a relatively simple and intuitive language to learn, even for beginners with no prior coding experience. HTML uses a system of tags to define different elements of a web page. These tags tell the web browser how to display the content. For example, the tag indicates a heading while the tag defines a paragraph of text. Understanding these basic tags is crucial for building even the simplest web pages. Learning HTML opens up a world of possibilities. With HTML, you can create everything from simple personal websites to complex web applications. It's a valuable skill for anyone interested in web development, digital marketing, or content creation. Section 2. Basic HTML structure and tags. Every HTML document follows a basic structure. It starts with a declaration, which specifies the HTML version being used. The document is then enclosed within a tag. Inside the tag are two main sections, the and the. The section contains information about the web page, such as the title, metadata, and links to external resources like CSS style sheets. This information is not displayed directly on the web page, but is important for search engines and browser functionality. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes information about your web page. The section contains all the content that is visible to users on the web page. This includes text, images, videos, links, and other elements. The content within the tag is what users see and interact with when they visit your website. Common tags used within the section include heading tags, paragraph tags, image tags, and link tags. These tags are the building blocks of any web page. Section 3. Semantic HTML, enhancing structure and meaning. While basic HTML tags define the structure of a web page, semantic HTML tags add meaning to that structure. Semantic HTML uses tags that describe the content they contain. For example, instead of just using a tag to create a header, you would use the tag. Other semantic HTML tags include for navigation menus, for main content sections, for sidebar content, and for the footer of the page. Using semantic HTML makes your code more readable and understandable, both for yourself and for other developers. Semantic HTML also benefits search engines. By understanding the structure and meaning of your content, search engines can better index and rank your web page. This can lead to higher visibility in search results and more organic traffic to your website. Section 4. Forms and user input in HTML. Forms are essential for collecting information from users on a web page. HTML provides a variety of input types to create different types of forms. The tag is used to define the form itself, while the tag is used to create different input fields. Common input types include text fields, password fields, radio buttons, checkboxes, and submit buttons. Each input type serves a specific purpose and allows users to input different types of information. Forms are crucial for various website functionalities, such as user logins, contact forms, surveys, and e-commerce transactions. Understanding how to create and use forms is essential for building interactive and dynamic websites. Section 5. Incorporating multimedia elements. Multimedia elements, such as images, audio, and video, enhance the user experience on a web page. HTML makes it easy to embed these elements into your web pages using specific tags. The tag is used to embed images. The attribute specifies the path to the image file, while the attribute provides alternative text for screen readers and in case the image fails to load. The tag is used to embed audio files, while the tag is used to embed video files. Both tags require the attribute to display playback controls to the user. By incorporating multimedia elements, you can create more engaging and immersive web experiences for your users. Section 6. Advanced HTML5 features. HTML5 introduced a range of new features and APIs that enhance the capabilities of web development. These features enable developers to create more interactive, dynamic, and feature-rich web applications. One notable HTML5 feature is the element, which allows for dynamic drawing and animation using JavaScript. This opens up possibilities for creating interactive games, data visualizations, and other graphical elements. Another powerful feature is geolocation, which allows websites to access the user's location with permission. This information can be used to provide location-based services, personalized content, and targeted advertising. HTML5 also introduced local storage, a way to store data locally in the user's browser. This allows for persistent data storage even when the user is offline. Section 7. Responsive design and accessibility. In today's mobile-first world, it's crucial to design websites that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. Responsive design ensures that your website provides an optimal viewing experience on desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. One key aspect of responsive design is using the tag in the section of your HTML document. This tag tells the browser to adjust the page width to the device width, ensuring that the content scales properly. Accessibility is equally important, ensuring that your website is usable by people with disabilities. This includes using semantic HTML, providing alternative text for images using ARIA attributes, and ensuring sufficient color contrast. Section 8. Best practices and SEO optimization. Following HTML best practices ensures that your code is clean, efficient, and maintainable. This includes closing tags properly, using semantic HTML, indenting code, and validating HTML. SEO optimization involves optimizing your HTML code to improve your website's visibility in search engine results pages, or SERPs. Key SEO practices include using relevant keywords in your content and meta tags, writing descriptive and informative page titles and descriptions, optimizing images with alt text and descriptive file names, and building high-quality backlinks to your website. Section 9. Tools, resources, and practice projects. Numerous tools and resources are available to aid in learning and practicing HTML. Code editors such as VS Code, Sublime Text, and Notepad++ offer various features to support HTML development. Online platforms like CodePen and JS Fiddle provide environments for testing and sharing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Practice projects like creating a personal portfolio, designing a blog layout, or building a product landing page can help solidify your understanding and build a portfolio of work to demonstrate your skills.